Hello, everybody. Welcome to a tropical update. Here's the wide Atlantic. Nothing to watch. That has been tagged at this point in time from the National Hurricane Center in Best 90L as no longer been tagged by the National Hurricane Center, so it's no longer going to be a storm watch here for the Atlantic. So the Atlantic is quiet for the time being here, as you can see in its latest outlook. This is from yesterday, but other than the remnants of what used to be Invest 90L ongoing. Nothing's going on really at this point in time that the National Hurricane Center has tagged. So switching basins here, here's a look at what's going on elsewhere throughout the world of the tropics. We got Invest 96W that has a low chance of formation, low chance of tropical cyclone development, unlikely within the next 24 hours. Same goes with Invest 95S in the Southwest Indian Ocean. And the main thing to talk about worldwide here is Tropical Cyclone 05B, also known as BUREVI, that recently made landfall over Sri Lanka not too long ago, earlier this morning, making it the first landfall over the country in nearly 20 years. The last storm to make a landfall there was Tropical Cyclone, I believe it was 05B in 2000, and that made a landfall as a cyclone over there. I think just probably about 2 weeks after this storm made landfall in 2000. So it's nearly been 20 years since the last landfall in Sri Lanka. So a really rare event here. We're seeing here's what the storm looks like on the forecast track. 40 knot winds right now, which is about 45 miles per hour. Didn't end up making it to cyclone status, but however, I imagine it is dumping a ton of rainfall and flooding over parts of the country in Sri Lanka and also, of course, parts of southern India there. So it may be a storm to continue watching here. It's regardless going to be a storm to continue watching here, especially going off once it passes over India and makes it back over water. The Joint Typhoon Warning Center have it slightly intensifying back up to a tropical storm with 35 knot winds. It's about 40 miles per hour, and some models are indicating it might take a northward turn and maybe make a landfall around maybe Pakistan or maybe extreme western India. We'll see about that, but for now, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center forecasted to re-intensify back up to a tropical storm status in the Arabian Sea. Here's what the storm looks like on infrared satellite imagery here to the left of your screen here, as it nears landfall over India here. Near landfall. This is infrared here, and then here's water vapor imagery of the storm right now. And you can see it continuing to burst deep convection over its or near its center of circulation there as it nears landfall over India as a tropical storm. Like I said, likely giving tons of rainfall and flooding to parts of Sri Lanka and parts of southern India here. So really hope everybody's staying safe over there. They usually don't get storms down there that often. Storms, of course, sometimes come close to this part of the world, but very rarely do they make a landfall, and especially in Sri Lanka, very rarely do we see tropical cyclones make a landfall that far down south. So a rare event here, and one that's going to be put up for the record books here. Um, I'm sure due to just kind of the rarity of this situation ongoing here. Again, the last storm to impact and make landfall, or the last storm to make landfall, I should say, directly over the country of Sri Lanka was in 2000, so nearly 20 years ago was the last storm to make landfall here in this part of the world. So that's pretty much going to be about it for this topical update here. Enough of my rambling here. Hope you guys have a not hope before I get too way ahead of myself. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer to the best of my ability here. If you want to know what links and websites to use for this topical update, they're down in the description below. You can click on the links there. It'll take you to some of the websites that they use for this topical update here. If you're curious on what's currently going on over the tropics right now, if you're wanting to see yourself. And yeah, that's going to be about it for this topical update here. Sorry about my little ramble there. Um, a really rare storm that made landfall for Sri Lanka earlier this morning. And in terms of Atlantic wise, absolutely nothing going on. At least the National Hurricane Center has tagged nothing. They've tagged so far. If they do tag anything, I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know, and I'll try to make an update on it whenever it happens. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be about it for this topical update here. Stay safe in Sri Lanka and southern India. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be about it for this topical update. Hope everybody has a great day or night. Wherever you guys are, stay safe, of course. Until then, see you guys in the next video. Peace.